Hi, this is the Galaxy 9 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So first we should open the Play Store application and here in the search pool enter the green Apple keyboard. Then just tap here to install button because now we should get this application. Wait just a couple of seconds, then just tap to open the app and click to enable in settings. Now near green Apple keyboard click on the switcher and tap twice to OK. Then just go back, click to switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. So now the process is finished and let's just check our keyboard look. We could see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.